Hey everybody, this is Jenny McGarvey and I am here to share with you today how I planned in my Hobonichi Weeks. This is a new video for my channel. I have not done one of these videos yet, but I had purchased this because I used a lot of my 2019 mini happy planner in 2018 that I had redated, and so I needed something for on the go. I'm using a Hobonichi cover by the Pink Room Co, and I'll link you up below. As you can see, I've planned a few weeks, including using Happy Planner stickers. And spoiler alert, I am really loving this size, this format, everything about it. It's really a lot of fun, and I thought you might want to see it too. Now these are some stickers I had pulled out from my stash. This is how I store, right here is how I store my kits. And so I went through trying to find one that maybe I hadn't been reaching for in the past and found this floral sticker sheet. Now this is how I store all the rest of my stickers. My Etsy stickers is in that other little sticker book. And again, I will try to link you to all of these things down below in the notes. Now, I keep this book fairly simple. I do like to add a few decorative elements in the standard visual triangle that you know that I love to use. And so I'm layering a couple of the decorative stickers together down below, using one on the bottom that maybe isn't as appealing to me, and then layering on top of it something that I really like. So for example, the white sticker has a center that doesn't have as many florals on it. The pattern is a little bit smaller, and so when I layer that dark sticker on top of it, it's really very pretty. Now I also pulled out these Alma Designs florals, just literally die cut around the edges of the sticker to use as accents to go with those floral boxes. Now I'm going to combine those with some of these half boxes from Let's Plan It and layer those on top of it, and using, like right here for an example, like a little bouquet sort of feel to it. Now I'm just sort of referring back because, like I said, this is a new process for me, and so I do want to see what I've done in the past, see what I liked, what I didn't like, maybe something that I want to incorporate again, and flipping back through the pages can really help me do that. Now you can see right here by the addition of another white sticker, see that one that I was talking about before that has that center piece, so that's why I layered the dark sticker on top of it. Now I'm going through and finding another Alma design so I can create another little bouquet, sort of a cluster right there, and I just love the way all of these come together. And you'll see again, as I typically do, using the 3 stickers together for my layering. Now you can see right there the visual triangle. If I was to draw a 2 or 3 straight lines in between, I could create a triangle out of those 3 different little clusters. Now I'm going to go ahead and start adding my activities here to my planner. I'm using an Arteza pen, which I absolutely love. They sent these packages of pens to me, and I have already added another package of them to my Amazon cart because I really do like them. They are like a felt tip pen, but they're really super juicy, and so I am loving it. And the 0.4 is kind of the perfect size. It is thick enough for my big handwriting, and I really do love it. Again, I will link those up in the comments below. Now I'm using bullet point stickers for most of my activities, although not all, for a couple of different reasons. One, because it's already heavy with stickers, and 2, I had quite a few things that otherwise I wouldn't have necessarily had room for. But then as we move down throughout the week, I'm able to use the half boxes to add my other activities. And I like the way that that balance is built in naturally by combining those 2 different elements right there. Now on the left hand side is the activities, and then on the right hand side you have a blank page, and so I use that to keep track of things that I need to get done and also items that I need to purchase. So I will remember, oh yeah, I need to buy butter, or I need to buy aluminum foil, or I need to, I don't know, buy something for one of my sons. And so often that'll happen when I'm out and about and I won't remember. And I could absolutely write it down on my phone or something like that, but this helps me keep a running list, and I can really keep track of those things over here on the right side. Now I do often not change up completely, but a little bit vary how I am creating these lists or these different spaces. So far it's worked for me to create some boxes like I am right here around this to-do box, just because I really like the way that it looks, and it also creates its own little differentiation. So you can see there I've created a bunch of different little spaces that I can write different things. Now that to-do sticker is just a plain white sticker, so I will add a little bit of watercoloring to that as well. But first I'm going to add just a little bit of decorative washi tape just because I have it. It's beautiful, it matches, and I might as well use it, am I right? So I'm going to go ahead and trim it off using the X-Acto knife, and then I will pull another pattern of Simply Gilded washi that I really like to cover along the bottom as well. And I just love how both of those really tie together the whole thing. It really pulls all of the colors together super cohesively. So I'm just going to layer that down across the bottom, and it just gives it such a beautiful feel. And I love this little light pink color as well. And then I will add the watercolor to the to-do, and I am all finished. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my very best to get back to you. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.